Hey, Chad here with Reno Hexier. Behind me, we have the new Hexayurt 2.0 that we just released. We have a micro front door aspect in front of the yurt. The point of this video, though, is to show you the installation process as well as the breakdown process. Let's go check it out, all right? Three of us are going to show you how to install the Hexayurt 2.0 that was just released. So right here is your package and all your materials. You have your base on top, you have your roof directly underneath there. You don't have many materials that come with it. You have nail spikes that'll be anchoring down into the ground. You have a template of this black pipe that you see next to me, as well as some pulleys, a tarp, rope halo, and some tools. Very straightforward. All the units come with an AC. You'll see one of those on the side attached as well. Set aside from that, it's gonna be straightforward. Step one, we're gonna set up our template. That's what the Hexayurt's gonna be asphyxiated on, okay? Step two, we're just going to asphyxiate the tarp directly over the template. The yurt is going to sit on top of the tarp. What we just did was we laid all the nail spikes around the tarp. They're 18 inches long, so it is a little bit of a process, but you need the security against high winds. Then what we did is we took our pulley systems and pre-attached them to the eye hooks all the way around the perimeter. Now the base is going to go perfectly around the template that is directly underneath the tarp to have a nice secure fit, and we're going to attach the 4 temporary anchors for when it is windy for installation to keep the base secured until the roof goes on and it's completely secured. So check this out. All right, so now the base is up and you can see that there are anchor points that are temporarily holding it in place, given if the conditions are a little bit windy. This is the same process you'll go through when you break down the unit, but this will make it so that the base can't move. So now it's ready for the roof. So the pulley systems that we have attached directly from the roof to the base to adhere it in place before the halo goes on. So we're going to put in the pulleys that'll go onto the roof, and then we're gonna put the halo on. Now we're ready for the roof. We're going to take it to the roof, 3 of us, open it up, it's just going to unfold. You're going to grab the corners of the roof, 1 person on each side if you have 3. If you have 2, 1 person on each side. The sides will fold down a little bit because it is a roof. Once it gets onto the structure, you're just going to center it on the base and connect your pulley, just nice and gentle, and then make a lap around the perimeter and make sure that it's even around the base before you address any more tension to the pulleys. Sounds a little complicated. It's very straightforward. Roof sits on the base, centered in between the panels, gets a pulley, make a lap all the way around the circle and connect it. You'll see right now. All right, so last part of the process is we're gonna take the rope halo, which is a piece of rope that is tied in a knot in a big circle that's gonna go just directly over the roof. It's gonna have 6 of the pulleys attached to it, and they're gonna pull straight down into the nail spikes that you have remaining. Then you can make your way around the perimeter, tighten the pulleys as you go around until it is nice and secure, and then you can asphyxiate the roof to the base just a little tighter. And then the structure will be secure, and you'll be good to go. So that was the installation video for the Hexayurt 2.0. It's a very simplistic process. You need to pay attention to details a little bit, but set aside from that, it goes very smooth. One thing to keep in consideration is when you're putting the roof on the base, it needs to be centered all the way around the base. So just take your time and make sure it's centered. It will sit perfectly, but this is a temporary structure, so you are taking a roof and adhering it to a base. Set aside from that, the only thing that might take a little bit of time is hammering in those 18-inch nail spikes, because it does take a little bit of effort, especially removing them also, but at least it keeps you protected from the high winds. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, send us a text, WhatsApp, social media, visit our website, or our customer service forum online as well. Thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to talking to you soon.